Hello, students of Standard 10. I am here once again to welcome you in the YouTube channel of Mount Vision. Today, I am going to give you the questions of Economics Chapter 1, the development. Same suggestion, please view the questions in full screen for better view and be ready for the questions. Your first question, Economics Chapter 1 Development. What is per capita income? What is per capita income? Question number 2. What is infant mortality rate? INFANT Here it is written in small letter, infant mortality rate. First letter you must write in capital letter. Question number 3. How can you say that money in your pocket cannot buy? How can you say that money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you need to live well. Once again, you see, how can you say that money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you need to live well? Next question. What is development? Question number 5. What is sustainable development? Question number 6. Why Kerala has a low infant mortality rate? Rate. Next question. Question number 7. What is the importance of Human Development Index? In short, it is called HDI. What is the importance of Human Development Index? This is question number 7. Question number 8. What is the main criterion? Criterion used by the World Bank in classifying different countries. What are the limitations of this criterion? What are the limitations of this criterion? See, these are the all questions. Two more questions are there. Question number 9, very important question. Kerala, with a lower per capita income, Kerala with a lower per capita income has a better human development has a better human development ranking than Punjab. Hence, per capita income, hence, per capita income is not a useful criterion, is not a useful criterion at all, comma, and should not be used to compare states. Do you agree? Do you agree? Question mark. Discuss. Next question. Question number 10. This is also very important questions. Inverted comma, you have to start with the inverted comma. The earth has enough resources. The earth has enough resources to meet the needs of all, but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person. Satisfy the greed of even one person. Full stop, inverted comma closed. How is this statement relevant to the discussion of relevant, RELEVANT, to the discussion of development? So these two questions you see once again, this is the big question.